Racing at a Volkswagen Bug, they put a jet in.
Here comes the copter, the Interceptor with the lights on for Hojo. That Dodge body machine with a black and white paint job gets ready to challenge Utah's only jet funny car with Ken Marley. Put the flame in your eye with that Westinghouse J34 here on the tower side.
I wasn't sure if
I got some of their appliances in my house.
Our drag racing is always an awesome presentation anytime you see them through, especially spectacular at night with the huge fireballs.
Maybe I can build my own.
Maybe you can. That dishwasher might come in here.
They're really shaking the earth here in the starting line at Orlando Speed World Dragway. Final jet funny car battle of the night.
I know, right? Probably. You got one yet?
Powerful jet powered machine with the jet rising. Interceptor takes the win for Hojo. 6:08.244. That's your winning blast.